Hello, today we are introducing the use cases for each feature. No matter what situation you are in, BitDynamic can provide you with the perfect translation solution. When you find yourself in situations such as international conferences where real-time multilingual communication is required, you can choose the face-to-face translation function, which serves as a bridge for real-time cross-language communication. Simply enable the feature to enjoy real-time voice translation between two people, making communication seamless. This feature makes it easy to communicate directly with overseas partners without the need for a third-party translator. If you need to understand the content while attending a class, listening to a lecture, or watching a video in a foreign language, you can select the Simultaneous Interpretation feature. It provides real-time subtitles to help you easily understand foreign language content and ensure you receive information with zero delay. After the recording ends, you can also generate a concise text summary for easy review and record keeping. With this feature, you can effortlessly grasp key information in a foreign language environment and ensure you don't miss any important details. When you need to make voice or video calls to friends, family, or colleagues overseas using popular apps like WeChat or WhatsApp, you can choose the audio and video calling feature. Simply share the link with the other person. They don't need to download an app. They can start the call by clicking the link. It offers built-in real-time translation and displays the translation results in real time on the call screen. With this feature, you can communicate seamlessly with friends around the world, just as if you were chatting in the same language. BitDynamic is your global communication assistant. We hope you enjoy using it.